Welcome to Sonic World Video Solutions. My name is Kritika Nakshatri. Today, we will demonstrate how to create a loopback NAT policy. Consider a scenario where you have a web server hosted on your network. This web server is accessible from the outside using a public IP that's assigned to it. If you require all the internal users to access this web server using the same public IP, you would require a loopback NAT policy. Without this NAT policy, the internal users will only be able to access the server using its internal IP and not the public IP, or the public domain name of the web server. In order to create a loopback NAT policy, we need to first create address objects with the required IP addresses. We then create the policy. Today for demonstration, we are using a SonicWorld NSA 220 with the firmware version 5.9.0.3. Go to the network interfaces. We have a web server hosted on the network with the LAN IP of 192.168.168.200. This server is accessible using the public IP of 103.19.168.10. We need to create a loopback NAT policy for this particular server. Go to the network address objects, choose custom address objects on top, and then click on add. The address object can be named as per your requirement. For demonstration, we call it web server private. Zone assignment is LAN, type is host, IP address is 192.168.168.200. Click on add. We need to add another address object for the public IP. We'll call this as web server public. Zone assignment is WAN, type is host, and the IP address is 103.19.168.10. Click on add to save the settings. Next, go to NAT policies, choose custom policies on top, click on add. Original source is firewalled subnets. Translated source is the public IP of the web server, which is web server public. Original destination is also web server public. Translated destination is web server private. Original service can be any service as per your requirement. For demonstration, we set it to HTTP. Translated service is original. No inbound or outbound interface is required. Click on add to save the settings. Next, go to the firewall tab, access rules, choose drop-down boxes. From zone is WAN, to zone is LAN. Click on OK. Here, since all services are denied from WAN to LAN, we need to specifically create an access rule. Click on add. Service is HTTP. Source any. Destination is the public IP of the web server, which is web server public. Click on add to save the settings. This brings us to the end of this video on how to configure loopback NAT policies.